Okay, so I'm thinking that I'm pretty much done with my map, and I'm going to run through all the things that I'm looking for on your maps. So let's look at mine. I have everything in here. Everything is vectorized. If I hit Command Y, I can see the outlines of all of my shapes and lines. And one thing I want you to check is make sure that your lines are appropriately, the shapes are appropriately snapped on all the lines. For example, the center of the circle is aligned with these vector lines right here. So make sure you have all of your shapes snapped onto the lines. I can see that again right here. You can see that the center of these shapes here are aligned. They're sitting right on this vector line. I can see that all of my lines are perfectly parallel, and the ones that are straight are perfectly straight. In addition, I have created everything in vector. So you need to have this compass thing. That needs to be in vector. All these shapes at the bottom. I want the letters lined up with the circles. And I want this key here done in vector. This text here doesn't have to be exact. I just kind of made up some of my own text because I couldn't read all of it. But you need to have everything recreated. And it's really not that hard. You just got to put in the time. So when I'm done, I'm going to highlight everything and copy it. I'm going to hop over to Photoshop, start a new document, and I'm going to call this rasterized MUNI Map. Okay, and I'm going to make it square. I'm going to go 1024 by 1024. I'm going to make the background white. Actually, yeah, white's fine. Okay, and actually, I'm going to change the background color to like an off-white, because actually the real MUNI map is just a little bit off-white. So I'm going to make it like this light gray color. And then when I paste, I'm going to go with Smart Object. I'm going to move it to the corner like this. And I'm just going to hold Shift and scale it until it fits nicely. Right about there. I need to do some minor adjustments with the Move tool. And it's looking good. Next, I'm just going to flatten it. I'm going to hit Command Shift E. That's just going to flatten the image. And I'm going to hit Command Shift S for Save As. I'm going to save it as a PNG. And now I would upload that PNG file to the class blog. So let's see how that would look. I'm going to go okay, I'm going to log in. And the first thing I want to do is to actually upload my homework file. So I'm going to do that right here in this upload homework thing. So this is where I upload my AI file. And I believe I called it MUNI Metro Map right here. Upload. In addition to that, I'm going to add a new blog post. Actually, it's module number 8, Van Wart. Upload insert, select files, and now I insert the thumbnail, which is linked to the full res version. And if I hit preview, there it is. Don't forget to type in a description.